Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a TikTok draft to your camera roll. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just go ahead and open up our TikTok app, and from here, click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, and you should get to your profile. So this is the page where you can see your drafts. So as you can see right here, there I have one draft. So just tap on the drafts tab right over here and select the draft that you want to save to your camera roll. So tap on it and then click on next at the bottom right. And from here, make sure that you set the who can watch this video to only me so that it won't be posted to the public and only you can see it. After that, you can scroll down and see the more options. So tap on it and make sure that you have enabled the save to device option. So just click on this toggle button right here and make sure that is color green. So just tap on the X and then click on post at the bottom right hand corner and wait for it to be posted. And let's click on a profile icon at the bottom right again. And when we click on this lock icon right here, right below our bio, we could see our private videos, and you can then also see that TikTok draft that you just posted privately to your camera roll.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.